Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews on the latest gadgets and tech.
Today, we're diving into the world of GPS trackers with a product that promises to keep your valuables safe and secure.
Introducing the GPS Tracker for Vehicles by Vebiso.
Let's start with the basics.
This GPS tracker boasts real-time tracking capabilities,
allowing you to pinpoint the exact location of your device through the Find My app on your iOS device.
No more worrying about losing your car, keys, or backpack. One standout feature is its compatibility with Apple's Find My app, ensuring seamless integration into your Apple ecosystem. Plus, there's no need to worry about monthly fees or subscriptions.
That's right, no hidden costs. And check this out, it's IP68 waterproof and dustproof, providing an extra layer of protection against the elements. Whether you're out in the rain or on an adventure, your tracker will stay safe and dry.
Now, let's talk about battery life.
With its built-in CR2032 button battery, this tracker offers long-lasting performance, with a standby time of over 12 months.
Plus, when the battery level drops below 20%, you'll receive a low battery alert.
Installation is a breeze thanks to the premium 3M VHB adhesive. Simply stick it onto any surface and you're good to go. Whether it's your car, backpack, or even your pet's collar, this tracker can handle it all. In conclusion, the GPS Tracker for Vehicles by Vebiso is a reliable and affordable solution for keeping track of your valuables.
With its real-time tracking, waterproof design, and long battery life, you can have peace of mind knowing that your belongings are safe and secure.
That's all for today's review.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product critiques.
Until next time, happy tracking!